In this video, we will drive the Traxxas TRX-4 2021 Ford Bronco on our second test run. We're going to try to drive the Bronco in our trail. We created this trail with green waste found around the yard. The ascent is easy as long as there's an incline to help the rig up. We'll start with our differentials locked and in low gear. Now at this section, going somewhat flat seems easy. That being said, wood branches and sticks can be just as challenging as solid rock. I don't know what to name this mini backyard RC course. Maybe Green Waste 1, GW1, or GW1 Trail. The descent is definitely the most challenging part of this trail. You want to get down but not flip over, especially with this truck. And we really have to descend at low speed. Keep it from rolling. Now let's run this trail from the other direction. Thanks for watching the second test run of the Traxxas TRX-4 2021 Ford Bronco.